Alright, so we are going to be doing some multiplying today. Last day we learned how to multiply with a whole number and a decimal number. Today we're going to be multiplying a decimal times a decimal. Now, in this situation, last time we learned that we need to get rid of the decimal in order to do the multiplying. So, over here, what do you think I should do first with 2.6 and 1.5? I'm going to take the decimal away. So, I'm going to take the decimal away from this one, and I'm going to take the decimal away from this one. So how many times did I move a decimal? Once here, and? So how many times in total did I move a decimal? Twice. So I'm going to put a 2 up in this corner. Okay? I moved the decimal twice. One in one number, and once in the other number. What numbers do I have left? If both decimals are gone, what two numbers am I going to multiply? 26 and 15. How do I write 26? Okay, well I'm going to write a 20 and a 6. And then how do I write 15? 10 and 5. Excellent, good job. So now I have a 10 and a 5 and a 20 and a 6. Sorry to those viewers out there, I can't control the bells. But we have 20 and a 6 and a 10 and a 5. Now I'm going to do my multiplying. In this first box here, what two numbers am I going to multiply? What two numbers am I going to multiply? Okay, what's 2 times 1? Good. And then how many zeros? Okay, so 10 times 20 is 200, right? And in this box, what two numbers am I going to multiply? Good. What's 6 times 10? Fantastic. And in this bottom box here, what two numbers am I going to multiply?
20 times 5.
And what's 20 times 5?
100.
Yep. And in the final box, what two numbers will I multiply at the back?
6 and 5.
And what does that equal?
30.
You bet. Now to find my answer for the two numbers when I multiply them together, what do I do? I have these 4 numbers, the red ones. What do I do with those? Good, I add them. So I have 260 and I have 130. So I just added across, and that's going to give me 390. All good so far? I'm going to put that all up in the corner so we can still see it. Now I have an answer of 390. We talked before about how many times we moved the decimal. How many times did we move the decimal?
2.
So how many times do I have to put how many spaces am I going to move the decimal back in?
Over 2. 2 left.
Okay, so 1, 2. So what's my final answer? 3.90. 3.90. Cool?